Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be talking about the Hope expert advisor for MT4 and MT5, but I'll be using the MetaTrader 5 as reference for this video. Now this is a cheap 1 minute scalper on EURUSD that's been sitting on the MQ5 community for a few years. Seller asks just 33 bucks, 33 US dollars, and in this review we'll walk through what it actually does. We'll check the claims, run my own backtest, and talk real talk about whether it's worth it, whether it's worth buying, whether it's worth trading with this Hope expert advisor, and if you should be hopeful of the results that it promises. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in the expert advisor, and it's for free, totally free. You can get it using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. I'm talking about the Hope expert advisor for MT4 and MT5. It was published on the 7th of April 2022, so it's been around for 4 years now, 4 years plus. And according to the page, Hope expert advisor is built for the 1 minute time frame on EURUSD. It's designed for all account types like low spreads, higher leverage, and it can enter hedge positions, meaning it might hold buys and sells at the same time. You can disable one direction if you want only longs or only shorts, so it does hedge positions. And the idea is short-term trading, quick entries on 1 minute charts, and this type of systems are just scalping systems. Usually look for small momentum moves or fast reversals. The seller doesn't give away the exact indicators that this expert advisor is built on, but from how it behaves, from the period testing it, it just behaves, it reacts fast to price action. It's a scalper, so it's expected. Their promo images show a nice steady equity curve with minimal drawdown, except this one here, this green drawdown on the equity, which shows that the max equity drawdown should be about 5 to 10% or more than it, based on this massive drop here. And if you're on a tight account, like maybe a prop firm account with limits, you should be careful when using a scalper like this one. Based on this equity curve, we can see this sharp cuts in the straight line. It actually promises profits, as you can see, but it's a scalper, and we have this equity drawdown here. It's actually big, and you should be careful when trading with this expert advisor. And it does look attractive. They emphasize testing it yourself, which is honest at least, but they do not give much information on the website here. And we also don't have regular updates on this expert advisor. It's been available for 4 years and there has not been any update. We just have the second version. There are no reviews either, there are no comments, and the developer Al Musawi Abdullahi is quite active. He has a collection here, collection of expert advisors ranging at around the same price, $30 to $33. So the Hope expert advisor is just one of his collection, but I don't think this one is updated, and I don't think it's updated more often like maybe the rest of them. But the key things they highlight is that it works on MT4 and MT5. The 1 minute only hedging possible but controllable, spread sensitive, so lower is better. Lot sizing can be adjusted based on account balance. Overall, it's positioned as a simple, flexible scalper that you can run on pretty much any account, but they do one about testing and not risking too much. So I decided to test it on the MetaTrader 5, and I tested it on EURUSD on the 1 minute time frame, and I tested it from April 2025 to April 2026, which is 1 year, with a 10k deposit on every tick modeling, zero latency, as you can see in the settings here. And total net profit from this came in at about $618, roughly 6% return over a year. And looking at it, profit factor is 2.8, which is solid. Yeah, and win rate is about 87 to 89%. You can see the win rate here, 87 to 89% on both long and short trades. So we're looking at 87 to 89% on the win rate, and we took a total of 440 trades in total, and the max balance drawdown was tiny at 0.28%, but equity drawdown hit closer to 5.5%, which is very close to my guess of 5 to 10% looking at their own backtest, and it's also the same thing on my backtest, around 5%. So you should be careful. Some prop firms do cap the daily max drawdowns at 5%. So if you're trading with this expert advisor, you should be watchful so that you don't exceed your limits. And this is how the equity curve looks like. Yeah, pretty just a straightforward steady climb to the upside. It's mostly flat with small steady gains and tiny dips for months, then a sharp spike towards right at the end. We have a sharp spike upward right at the end, and the developer claims shows smooth growth upwards, and my results line up in the sense that it didn't blow up the account, but that long flat periods means you're waiting a while for the good moves. You can also set up the expert advisor here in the inputs. These are the available inputs to edit the max spread, max lot. We have the magic numbers, and also you can choose to open buy orders or sell orders when it comes to the hedging, as I explained earlier on the page, on the MQ5 page. In reality, this matches what I see with many 1 minute scalpers: high win rates, small edges, very broker dependent, and my backtest looks better than average live results usually do because of perfect execution. So you should be careful when trading live. Honestly, the thing is, Hope expert advisor can work in the right conditions, but it's not a set and forget money printer. It grinds small profits most of the time and needs excellent spreads and executions to shine. It's a scalper, so you need to have your spreads in check. The hedging adds flexibility but also risk. It's for traders who understand scalping realities, and talking about scalping realities, I'm talking about spread sensitivity, occasional bigger losses, and the fact that one strong period can carry the results. If you have a good ECN broker and realistic expectations, it could be a cheap addition to test. But if you need big consistent gains or trade on regular spreads, you will better looking elsewhere. Like this video if you want more expert advice or reviews. Subscribe and turn on notifications, and drop a comment below which expert advisor you want me to text next. And don't forget to grab the free Forex robot in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Trade safe.